Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today we're going to talk about something that can be a bit confusing for car owners, the dreaded P0400. If you've ever seen this code pop up on your ABD scanner, you're probably wondering, what is it? Should I be worried? Well, don't worry. We're here to break it all down for you and explain what P0400 means and how to fix it. The P0400 code refers to an issue with the exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) system. Specifically, it means there is a flow malfunction in the EGR system. The EGR system is responsible for recirculating some of the exhaust gases back into the engine to help reduce nitrogen oxide emissions, which are harmful to the environment.
Common fixes.
1. Clogged or dirty EGR valve. The EGR valve may be blocked by carbon buildup, preventing proper exhaust gas flow. If carbon buildup is the problem, clean the EGR valve or replace it if cleaning does not resolve the issue. 2. Faulty EGR temperature sensor. If the sensor fails, the ECU may not be able to accurately monitor the EGR system's temperature, triggering a P0400 code. Test the sensor for proper function and replace it if faulty. 3. Damaged EGR pressure feedback sensor. The feedback sensor might be broken or disconnected, leading to incorrect readings of the exhaust flow. Ensure the sensor is working correctly. Replace it if needed. 4. Vacuum leaks or damaged hose. If there are vacuum leaks or issues with the hoses connected to the EGR system, it can cause improper function. Inspect all vacuum hoses for cracks or leaks and replace any damaged hoses. 5. Wiring or electrical problems. Damaged or corroded wiring and connectors related to the EGR system can cause issues with communication and operation. Ensure all wiring and electrical connectors to the EGR system are in good condition and securely connected. 6. Faulty EGR control solenoid. The control solenoid that regulates exhaust flow through the EGR valve can fail. If the solenoid is defective, replace it to restore proper EGR function. So, there you have it. The P0400 code is all about your EGR system's flow, and while it might sound intimidating at first, it's often something you can fix with a little time and effort. As always, if you're unsure, make sure to consult with a mechanic to get the issue resolved. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe.